coming here and you saw our fashion. It's India's first vegan fashion lookbook. I think it was really nice to do it with guys who actually believe in this concept. And what we were trying to sell is that you can look as fabulous and fashionable without using animal skins. I think humans are, I don't think, I know that humans are the only animals who would wear another animal skin. I don't think there'd be an elephant who would say, I want to look like a zebra today. Put on a zebra skin. And we can never be as stylish as animals, so I don't think we should try. And as he said in the video, that the alternatives that we have nowadays are so great, you can't even tell the difference. Like the skirt I'm wearing right now is a faux leather skirt. It's not real leather, it's fake. But it looks and feels like a real leather skirt. So you can do all this without harming animals because when you make stuff out of animal skins, the torture that they go through just for you to wear a belt or wool or fur or anything, the torture that they go through, it's really, really cruel. I don't think a lot of people even know about how much animals go through for you to wear that one stylish garment that you would find stylish. So if you actually love fur and want to wear all these fabrics, you should use the alternatives that we have, which are very, 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 very stylish, and you can still look awesome.
And you do look awesome.
Like, I think पहली बात तो पीटा के साथ everyone actually believes in this cause. तो शूट करते समय बहुत मज़ा आया. विशेष वर्मा ने I think हम दोनों को बहुत सुंदर दिखाया है लुक बुक में, and very eye catching, very creative images, ताकि we can put it forth to people who are looking at it and catch people's eye and tell them that there are a lot of substitutes to सिर्फ leather भी नहीं, wool के लिए, silk के लिए, क्योंकि even एक silk की साड़ी के लिए you have to take, I think there's some 80,000 right silkworms that you have to kill to make one silk sari, and you can get an exact alternative जो पता भी नहीं चलेगा, and it's fake. So like he said, fake is beautiful also, and fake can be very attractive, and you don't have to kill very very and you don't have to.
Ashi just said that fashion is about having fun and pleasure. So which is that thing about vegan fashion? What you like the most about that? Which is the funny thing about vegan fashion?
Well, fashion is supposed to be fun. Fashion is supposed to be something which expresses your individuality. And if you just watch these videos where they're killing animals to make you look pretty, you won't be able to wear the stuff. I can guarantee if you have half a heart, you won't be able to wear, because they put chili into cows' eyes. They cram them all into a truck and get them to the slaughterhouses. Some of their spines and their tailbones break, and all of this just to make one belt for you. And when you can get the exact alternative, the exact replica of it without doing any harm. Also, I find real leather has a strange smell after a while. Any real animal fabric that you have. Even wool has alternatives nowadays. You keep yourself warm without having to kill anyone. I think the last time we spoke for PETA only, I told you I've signed a film. I'm a little superstitious. That time it was Commando 2, and then I said I don't want to tell you all what. I had signed it then, but I feel like I should start a project and finish at least 40 days before I speak about it. That's just what I've been doing for the past few movies, down south or here. And the movies that I don't talk about become very big hits. So now it's a superstition that I should, till a little bit of the shooting is complete, and then speak about it.
Because from South many people have supported Jallikattu festival and PETA.
Right.
It is divided into half.
Right.
So, what do you
I think it's a
what-
very controversial subject, firstly, and also we don't know both sides of the whole thing entirely. I haven't done my entire research on it, to be very honest. So I wouldn't want to comment without doing your whole research. I don't think you should just comment. Like what we're here for today, the vegan fashion thing, I have done my entire research. I have watched all the videos, half closed my eyes, but I have sat and watched the entire thing. So whatever you ask me about it, I am very well versed and very well educated in speaking about it. As far as Holi, you said, is concerned, or festivals are concerned, I think our Indian festivals and traditions are lovely, and you should play Holi. You should totally enjoy yourself and play. But the only thing is that you shouldn't catch an animal who doesn't. I don't think, I'll speak for all the dogs and all the other stray animals on the road, I don't think they want to play Holi with you. So please don't go and put color on them. You catch your friends and put all color, put on your own face, put on their face, and have lots of fun. But don't catch stray animals and put color on them. They don't want to play Holi. I am their spokesperson, and I will tell you.
She can actually secretly talk to them.
I secretly chatted with them and they said हम लोगों को होली नहीं खेलनी है आपके साथ, आप लोग खेल लो, खूब मजे करो. जो गाय है रास्ते पे और don't sit and put on them also. उनको भी नहीं खेलना आपके साथ. बहुत सारे इंसान हैं जिनको खेलना है, खुशी खुशी से खेलेंगे, आप उनके साथ खेल लो.
मैम जो ऐसा वीडियो बनाते हैं
और खासकर सिल्वर कलर तो उनको बिल्कुल पसंद है.
लाल भी पसंद.
वीडियोस भी बनाते हैं बहुत जस्ट फॉर लाइक्स. व्हाट डू यू लाइक टू से अबाउट इट?
Videos for with
For
they put
YouTube.
animal.
हाँ, just for likes and all.
वो बहुत perverted लोग होते हैं आई थिंक. लाइक आई सेड नो, उनको खेलना नहीं है जानवरों को, तो डोंट प्ले विद देम. यू प्ले विद अदर ह्यूमंस.
सर वीडियो तो हर चीज़ के लिए बनते हैं, आप उसे लाइक मत करिए.
हाँ.
आप लाइक नहीं करेंगे तो वो वीडियो डालना बंद कर देंगे, क्योंकि कोई भी लाइक नहीं करेगा.
You have recently gone to IFA for Utsavam.
Yeah, you stalk me very well. You know everything. Before I go also you know.
He's a boy, he's supposed to.
He knows. He was like that. He was like, you're going to Dubai. He's supposed to know means.
Very good, very good.
No, but very good. Stalking 100 on 100. IFA
नहीं, ये तो हर
was.
लड़के का धर्म है ये काम करना.
लड़कियों को stalk करना. Please don't say this.
नहीं, ये वर्ड मैंने यूज नहीं किया उस एस वाला. But what he's doing.
We are both into now deep trouble. We have both gotten. You've gotten me also into trouble. Stalking is very bad, but yes, doing your research is very good because as a journalist, that's what you should do. So 100 on 100 for that. IFA was really nice. I did not perform this time at IFA, so I just walked the red carpet and watched people perform and clapped.
You are
And
going to wear a sari, Kanjivaram.
I did. I thought let me do something different. And on social media, my fans keep telling me wear Indian stuff. So I thought that would be nice. Also, my film Kshanam was nominated, and they gave me like lots of love for Kshanam. It won some awards as well. So yeah, it was nice to be there.
So being a public figure, it's absolutely great that you guys come up, you have stood up to talk about the cruelty against animals. It's absolutely great. So, but will you guys come up and stand and say something about the cruelty being done with the humans in the name of this Romeo Squad, what they are doing with these Romeo Squad? You must have heard about the Romeo Squad beating humans, beating girls and boys.
I think, like he said, cruelty to any form of life is not something that any of us will support. I think no one in this room, in this entire room, would support cruelty to any other living form. Why we are here to speak about animals is because animals don't have a voice
She
to
talks to
speak.
them.
Only I speak to them and chat with them. So I chat with them, translate it, and then bring it to you guys. But humans, yes, I don't support any form of cruelty to anybody. Why
बेसिकली
would-
सिर्फ लॉ को अधिकार होना चाहिए कि आपको हाथ लगाने का. मुझे ऐसा लगता है उसके अलावा कोई भी अगर आपको हाथ लगा रहा है तो मेरा काम है आप दूसरे को जाके रोकने का. तो दैट्स द लिटिल बिट विच वी आर डूइंग हियर. तो वैसे तो बहुत इट्स अ वास्ट टॉपिक. सो एज फार एज यू कैन स्टॉप क्रूअलिटी एट एनी लेवल, दैट्स व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग.
Okay, lastly, so who's that designer or brand related to this vegan fashion you really admire?
See, this one is basically they are trying to say कि you don't have to follow any one brand or one designer. मार्केट में इतने options available हैं, अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि इसके जो लुक अलाइक है और बल्कि बेटर लुकिंग चीज़ें जो आधा स्कर्ट पहनी अभी दिख नहीं रहा है, टेबल है, बहुत सुंदर है. मैंने ऐसे आँख चुरा के देखा है, बहुत इट्स एक्चुअली लुकिंग बेटर देन द रियल थिंग. एंड लुक एट हर, शी इज़ डन हर रिसर्च. थोड़ा सा उन्होंने मेहनत करी एंड शी फाउंड इट. आप भी पा सकते हैं अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ज़रूरी है ये लुक, मतलब बहुत ही माचो अगर आपको फील होता है ये पहन के, जो हमको पहले बताया जाता था. आई एम फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल टाउन, मुझे लगता था कि ये सब पहन के
Yeah, so you get your those leather jackets also now that guys like to wear. You get them. Shoes, जो मेरे जूते हैं वो Rexine के हैं. They're not
मेरे-
leather. There you go. So you
इसके
don't.
एक ही जूता रेक्सिन का है.
नहीं, दोनों है. एक
दूसरा कपड़े
आधा
का है.
प्लास्टिक कपड़ा. There are a lot of alternatives for the same fabric that you want. And otherwise there is cotton and everything also. It's not that doesn't exist.
Basically fashion is supposed to be fun, but killing animals for fashion is definitely not fun.
And
Nobody
it's
would
not
agree.
fashionable also. It's not cool at all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure.